Burano is a picturesque island which is 40 minutes away from the main island, but it's worth the day trip. This island is filled with homes painted in every color of rainbow, and a must to visit for Instagram lovers. You can try some local restaurants here which serves fresh seafood and homemade pasta. Burano is also famous for handmade lacework. Stroll past the shops and you will find beautiful lace designs and boutiques. The souvenir shops are quite expensive here. I would suggest that you buy souvenirs from the main island of Venice. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.